In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell physical and digital products with Squarespace. We're going to walk through the product setup process inside Squarespace so you can get your store ready in a clear and organized way. This is a great starting point if you're building out your shop and want to begin adding items for customers to purchase. First, go to your Squarespace dashboard and open Products and Services. This is the main area where your store items are managed. From there, click on Products to view your current product list and access the tools for creating something new. Next, click Add Product. Squarespace will give you a few product type options, and for this setup, choose Physical. Even if your overall store may include digital items too, this part of the process focuses on creating a physical product listing, which helps you understand the core product fields you'll be working with. Once the product editor opens, start by entering the product name. Make this clear and easy for shoppers to recognize. After that, type in the description. This is where you explain what the product is, what makes it valuable, and any important details a customer should know before buying. A well-written description can make your listing feel more professional and help improve buyer confidence. Now, click Add Images and upload your product photos. Good images are especially important for online sales because they help customers understand what they're purchasing. Try to use clear, high-quality visuals that show the product accurately. After that, add the price. This tells Squarespace what the customer will be charged and is one of the most essential parts of the listing. Then enter the SKU, which is useful for organizing and tracking products internally, especially if you plan to manage inventory or multiple variations later on. Next, add the G10 if your product has one. This can help with standard product identification and may be useful for broader commerce and cataloging purposes. Then enter the MPN, which stands for Manufacturer Part Number. If your product uses one, this is another helpful identifier that keeps your product information complete and structured. Once all of those details are in place, move up to Save. When you hover over the Save options, Squarespace lets you choose how you want the product to be handled. You can publish it right away if it's ready to go live. Save it as hidden if you want to finish or review it later without making it visible to customers, or schedule it if you want the product to appear automatically at a specific time. And that's the basic process for creating a product in Squarespace. Take a moment to review everything before finalizing, because accurate details, strong images, and complete product data can make a big difference in how polished your store looks.